The Techform splint is intended for external immobilization. Review all instructions and cautions before using the product. Using tear notch, open foil pouch and remove product. Techform splint is padded on only one side. Please place padding next to skin. For quicker set time, completely immerse splint in clean, room temperature water for 10 seconds or until saturated, squeezing once or twice while submerged. Note: using warmer water will quicken the set time and may increase the temperature next to the skin during cure. Remove splint from water, roll up and squeeze out all excess water. If necessary, roll splint in towel to remove any additional water. Measure out cast padding. Typically 4 layers are used. Apply splint to extremity with the padded side towards the anatomy. Secure splint with bandage or similar means. Splint has 3 to 5 minute set time. Note: the splint can be folded back or trimmed as necessary to ensure a customized fit.